In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning website using the Base44 platform. First, go ahead and open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Base44 website. If you're new to Base44, you'll need to create an account. Simply click on the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details. Once you've done this, or if you already have an account, proceed to log in using your credentials. Now, once you're logged in, let's take some time to explore the dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, and understanding its features will help you navigate Base44 more efficiently. At the top, you'll see different tabs like Templates, Editor, and Settings. The Templates section offers a variety of pre-designed layouts you can choose from, making it easy to kickstart your project. The Editor is where the magic happens, giving you the tools to customize and personalize your content. Lastly, the Settings tab is there for managing your account preferences and project details. Feel free to click around and familiarize yourself with these options. When you're ready to jump into creating your first project, you have a choice. You can either select a pre-existing template or start with a blank page. If you choose a template, it's much like selecting a canvas that already has some colors on it. All you need to do is refine and tweak it to your liking. On the other hand, starting from a blank page gives you complete freedom to build everything from scratch, which can be ideal if you have a specific vision in mind. Now, let's talk about the real fun part, designing your site. Base44 makes it incredibly easy with its intuitive drag and drop tools. You can add text by dragging a text box where you need it, then simply click to type your content. If you want to include images, the platform allows you to drag an image element onto the page, and then upload your photos effortlessly. Similarly, adding buttons for navigation or calls to action is just as straightforward. Just drag and position them as needed. One of the impressive features of Base44 is the ability to preview changes in real time. As you edit your site, switch to preview mode to see exactly how it will appear to your visitors. This ensures that you can make adjustments on the go and achieve the perfect look and feel before making your work public. Finally, after you've crafted your site or app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish. With Base44, this is as simple as one click. Simply locate the Publish button, and with a single click, your creation will be live on the internet, ready to be enjoyed by your audience. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to build a beautiful site with Base44. Enjoy experimenting with the platform, and happy creating!